Hey, what's going on? It's Josh Howard here from The Profit Machine. Just a quick video in regards to the three steps or three components you must have if you want to do affiliate marketing, and especially if you want to make your first $100 online, even your first $500 or $1,000 online with affiliate marketing. All you have to do is follow just three simple steps. Okay, so now I'm a visual person, and that's why you'll see this little whiteboard on your screen. That way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw it out for you, because if you're like me, I'm very visual. I need to actually see things. I need to see a process or a blueprint in order for things to sort of click. And that's just me. I hope you're the same. And that's what I'm going to do here. Okay, so there's just three things that you have to have to make your first $100 to $1,000 with affiliate marketing, and it's fail proof. Okay, so it works regardless, and it works regardless of what products you are promoting as an affiliate. Even if it's your own products and services, the process is exactly the same. Okay, so here's the three things that you need to have. Okay, so I'm just going to draw this out. Okay, so the first thing you need is products. Okay, so this just stands for products, P-R-O-D-S, prods. Okay, so obviously you need something to sell. If you don't have anything to sell, you can't make money. Now, it's pretty obvious, of course, right? So that's the first thing you need. Now, the second thing you need to have, okay, is traffic. Okay, so let me just write this up here. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Okay, so you need products, something to sell, then you need traffic, and if you don't know what traffic is, that's okay. That just refers to people browsing the internet, okay? So you need to get people who are browsing the internet to see whatever it is that you are selling, and to do that is very easy. All you do is advertise, like you do in the offline world. No difference on the internet, it's just a different media that's being used to advertise with. Okay, so you need, first thing is products, something to sell. Second thing, you need traffic. Okay, so you need to get people to see what it is you're actually selling, and that's done through advertising. And the third and final thing that you need to have, and this is the probably the one thing that most people don't have or don't do. Okay, and the third thing you need is a funnel. And a funnel is just a series of web pages which are designed to turn the traffic that you get from your advertising, okay, from just people visiting into actual leads and customers. Now, this third step here, okay, this third step is very, very important, but more often than not, it's overlooked. I certainly didn't know about it in the beginning. I spent a good 18 months, 2 years of my life running around in circles when I first got started, because I didn't know about a funnel. Okay, now building a funnel is very simple, and let me show you this. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to have some kind of an opt-in page. Okay, now this is normally used to capture leads. Okay, so you offer something for free on your opt-in page. Okay, you offer something for free to somebody, people who visit the page. That way you can build an email list. Okay, and an email list is an asset to you, whether you are an affiliate or even if you're a product owner. You need to have an email list, and it's just a list of subscribers. Okay, people you can follow up with through email, and then sell more products and services to. Of course, that's going to increase the amount of money that you make. Okay, so then what you also would have is you'd have some kind of a thank you page. Okay, so these are two different pages, but they're connected together. So someone lands here on your opt-in page. Okay, so they opt in, they give you the email address, and this is all automatic, by the way, and I'll show you how to do this. Very, very simple. They opt in, you capture the email address automatically, and the person, they then go to the next step in your funnel. Okay, so this process is a funnel, which is your thank you page. Now, usually on this thank you page, you'll thank them for signing up, and you'll offer them a product, whether it's an affiliate product or your own product. In this case, an affiliate product. Okay, so let me draw another square over here, and I'm going to put F, that just stands for affiliate, and then prod stands for affiliate product. Okay, so this is what you want to have, and this is what you call a funnel. It's a process that you send people through. So let me highlight this. Okay, so this here is your funnel. Now what you want to be doing is when you are advertising to get traffic, okay, you want to send that traffic down here. So when you're advertising, you want to send your traffic down here to the opt-in page or the start of your funnel. That way you build a list and you can follow up with those people on that list forever, basically, or until they unsubscribe from your list. But you can follow up with them over and over and over and over again for years and keep selling them products. But what most people do, okay, and what most affiliates do especially, is when they advertise, they send the traffic straight down here to the affiliate product. And that's the worst thing you can do, okay? You don't want to be doing that. You always want to be sending them to a funnel. Now this funnel that you see here, okay, so this process, most people are not doing it, okay? So most people don't know about it, they don't do it. And it's definitely a requirement, okay? You need to have this marketing funnel in place. Now if you've never heard of this before, you've never done it, now personally I use a tool called ClickFunnels. This is how I'm able to create these types of funnels, and it helps me to drastically increase my income. And this is the exact process I used to make my first $100 and my first $1,000 as an affiliate on the internet. This exact process, and you can just do it over and over and over and over again. And this process is battle tested, okay? So all of the big companies do it. Anyone that's successful is using this as well, okay? So this is how they are being successful. And like I said, if you've never done anything like this before, that's cool. I use a tool called ClickFunnels to build this, and beneath this video there should be some kind of link. What I've also got is I've actually got a free affiliate marketing course. No strings attached, 100% free. You can take that course. Should be a link below to sign up. You're welcome to check it out. I go into this whole process and affiliate marketing in great detail. I break everything down for you. Plus, I'll also show you how to use ClickFunnels, and I'd be happy to help whenever you need it. You know, if you've got questions, you're welcome to reach out. There'll be a Facebook group link in the members area, 100% free to join. You can join the Facebook group as well, become part of our unit, and there you can reach out, ask questions, and I'll be happy to answer those for you. But so long as you've got this process in place, you know, this funnel in place, you can definitely make big things happen, and this is going to generate your first $100 to $1,000 easily. Okay, and beyond, you know, you can definitely go beyond that. But if you want to make your first $100 to $1,000, you want to have this in place, and you'll definitely do that. So, you know, click the link below. There should be a link to sign up for a free affiliate marketing course. You're welcome to, you know, to join. No charge, no catch whatsoever. Sign up, check out the training. Like I said, I use ClickFunnels to build this myself. I go into great detail about that, and then I also break all of this down for you step by step, and it'll all come together, and it'll make sense. You can apply it, and you can get results.